Ethereum against US dollar this week has tried to make the price to move down, but also we can see the candle has reached this almost start of this demand zone around 1968, but the price has stopped at 1982 and then reverses back up. We can see here a small triangle that has been broken to the upside, and what we can see, the Friday candle here has stopped just here at this great resistance where the price could not break out to the upside. But also the price could not make lower lows. We can see it here. The price could not go below 1945, which is also a very important signal for the price. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that this week, just a minute, is still active. So we have 2 more days until this week ends, but the previous week has confirmed some kind of a small bullish breakout. We can see it here where the price vested back down and now is moving to the upside. So we can see on also monthly time frame, which has ended also, we can see it here. I was expecting that the price will make a breakout, and this is what has happened the previous month. We have the second day in this month, it is also bullish, but this is a very important signal for the price. So Ethereum has been broken to the upside above 1940 price level, which is visible here. So we have open space for the price to reach the next level, which is 2231 price level. Before that happen, the price could make a retrace on the monthly time frame back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, and this is what I would like to see. It is not mandatory that the price makes a validation this month, but it could also the price reaching this area, which is 2225 visible here, and then reverses back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. But I always would like to see the second candle validation. So as it looks right now on the monthly time frame, if the price doesn't go below 1940, this is in the bullish mode. If the price goes on the monthly time frame below that, this will be a bullish breakout not validated, and the price will try to make a breakout to the downside. But before that happen, we have several critical levels for the price, and also the price is on a higher price level currently. Before that happen, we will need to see weekly time frame how this looks. Weekly time frame shows that the currently price is inside this uptrend channel, and it has a very critical level in front of it, and that is, we can see it here, 2127 price level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to have a free clean move, which is the next one where the price could stop is this one here, which is 2300. This is visible on the weekly time frame. The next level above that, it is around 2400 price level, which is also visible here as a resistance horizontal line. So very important levels are in front of this weekly candle. But on the lower side, just in case if the price goes down, very important level that the price needs to break is 1980 before moving even more down, which is 1940, very important level for the bulls and also for the sellers. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see what is happening here. The price is currently trying to make a breakout, bullish breakout to the upside in order to continue to move up to here around price level, which I have mentioned on the weekly time frame. Just a minute. We can see the ultimate target is also 2400 price level, which is also a monthly and also weekly target for the bulls. But in order to continue to move up, we can see very important current level is here, which is 20. We can round it around 2100 price level, and above that it is 2130, very important also level. If the price makes a breakout, it will be also outside of this uptrend channel, which is a daily uptrend channel, which will be a great signal for the bulls, and we can expect the price from moving even more up. If the price doesn't make a breakout to the upside, or the price makes a breakout to the upside and then its next candle returns back inside, this will be not validated as a valid bullish breakout, but the price could continue even more down. So very important level for the sellers is this one, 2008, and below that it is 1940. We have seen that this 1940 is also a very important level for the weekly and also a monthly time frame. So these are the very important levels and also critical levels, but how this looks for me, at least for now, this looks as a bullish, so I'm expecting that the price will move to the higher price levels, but before that I need to see a bullish breakout here around 2127 price level. Before ending this analysis, I would like to mention that inside the description below this video, you have a link where you can get a free PDF inside your email. That PDF shows you a tutorial, step-by-step guide how to start trading, what are very important basic terms inside trading, and also how to use a supply-demand strategy that I'm currently using on this analysis. Feel free to check it, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.